right. The fire's all going. She looks up in the sky and she goes, "It's like HD." And I'm like, nah, this is what HD is trying to be. I'm an outsider, we like to play outside. I'm an outsider, we out here feeling alive. I'm an outsider, we like to go outside. I'm an outsider, we out here feeling alive. Spectators, yeah, that's what I call them. A whole generation just sitting around watching doing nothing. Watching doing nothing. They used to call the radio the box. Then the TV became the box. Then computers and laptops. Now everybody got a box in their pockets. And all they want you to do is just stay in that box. They don't go outside no more. All they do is this. All they do is this. All they do is this. Living life through a screen. Living other people's dreams. All they do is wish. All they do is wish. I'd be lying if I told you I ain't want you to watch this. But the motive remains to get your buzz off them couches. Some might call them cliches.
Hello gentlemen, this is HOG Zone. I'm down here with my buddy Frank, and we're going to go do a little fishing in the marsh. We're going to launch in our ditch. We're going to take the ditch to the bay, and hopefully we'll catch a few fish today. Yeah. It's pretty hot, and we're turning into two old guys. We were planning on getting out of here 2 hours ago, but you know, coffee and bathroom trips definitely take precedent over getting onto the water at 100-degree heat.
I'm saying wind in your face, I'm saying sun on your skin. That sweat dripping, blood pumping, ain't no doubt I'm alive. Adrenaline rushing, I'm talking clear skies. No mosquitoes in a good fire going. Yup, that's what you call living. That ain't no doubt I'm alive. Top of good living. Look man, we all dying. So I'm asking, how you living? Now I ain't gonna tell you what it is and what it ain't. If you tried enough things in life, you already know what makes you feel alive. And if it don't make you feel alive, well, what else can you call it but dying? Preach! I'm an outsider, we like to play outside. I'm an outsider, we out here feeling alive. I'm an outsider, we like to go outside. I'm an outsider.
The line just started reeling off, and then Mr. Hardhead as usual.
Oh yeah.
Well guys, we're giving it to it. Frank's already caught a small speck. He had to throw it back. He tried to stretch it out about 1/2 inch, but it just didn't work, so I had to go back in the water. You know, I saw him, he was actually popping it, trying to get that spine to extend. Just wasn't happening. But got me a hardhead, you know, because I am the hardhead croaker king. But I've had a few bites. So anyway, we're really just exploring this area, finding out what the bottom is and all that type of thing. But it's so far it's a lot of fun. But we kind of got into shelter because a storm's coming. So check this out.
Yeah, see the rainbow?
Where's the rainbow?
See the rainbow over there?
Feel the rainbow. I don't even see it.
Oh right.
Oh yeah.
See
There
it
it
across
is.
there?
Yeah. Okay, that's your rainbow shot for the day. We got some other people out here.
Heading to
They're heading to safe harbors too. Yeah, we feel like we're on deadliest catch right now. But it is cooling it off, and I hope it would rain, to be honest with you, for about 30 minutes. Drench us all down, and then we'd be nice and cool. And, all right, Frank, it's all you. I got a bite.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right. You got some?
Yeah, it should. My bobber's gone.
Bobber?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
What happened?
Bait stealer.
Oh,
Probably a crab.
probably was.
Yeah.
I'm going to refurbish it. And then
Redo it.
we'll get some live action shots of something.
Yep. Where's the? Here it is.
Man, something was on there, dude.
Probably a crab.
Yeah. Well, y'all, 2 undersized speckled trout, and of course a hardhead. Frank caught some hardheads too, but we had a good time. It started raining a little bit, not much, but it got to be high noon. If you look at my face, it's kind of hot. You have a good time, Frank?
Oh yeah.
Ready? Cerveza, paw nap,
Yeah,
and lunch, right? Or no? What order are we gonna do that?
Shower, lunch, and nap.
Yeah, exactly. So, anyway, y'all, this hogs. Oh man, I'm tired.
I know.
The wind was blowing right, trying to keep us out. Once we got out there, it was fine, but the wind was straight out of the south, so paddling back in wasn't that easy. And it's pretty shallow back in there and everything else. So, anyway, guys, appreciate you watching.